Today we're going to review how you can check the accuracy of your Google Analytics e-commerce data for a Shopify store. So we're going to compare the data in Google Analytics to the data in your Shopify store to make sure that Google Analytics is tracking as accurately as possible. So first, we're going to take the demo spreadsheet and we're going to make a copy of it. So you click here, make a copy, give it a name of something interesting, my store, like so. Good. And once it loads, we're going to first add the Shopify raw data. So we're going to come over here to this tab, and what we have to do is import this from the Shopify sales report. So we go over to Shopify, we click on Analytics, we look at the View Report for total sales. This is the Shopify sales report. Now we're going to select the date range we're interested in. So we'll do the last 7 days, but you can do whatever date range you want. Like so. Make sure it's grouped by day. Make sure it's sorted ascending by date over here. And then we just export this to CSV. Like so. Open the CSV file. Copy the dates. Copy the data. And paste it over here. Great. Cool. Now we need to add the Google Analytics raw data. To do so, we need to add this custom report, the e-commerce accuracy report, to our Google Analytics view. So click on the link. Select your analytics account and the view that you use by default, and click Create. That will add the custom report to your custom reports tab over here. So again, we have to select the date range we're interested. By default, it's the last 7 days, but we can select that like so. Make sure that we are sorting by date, ascending. If you have more than 10 rows, make sure you select the number of rows down here so you're not missing data. And then you click export it to a Google Sheet, import the data. And then again, we just copy the data here over into our Google Analytics raw data, select there, and paste it over. And now we can see the results in our charts over here. See that orders is 100% accurate, revenue is 97% accurate, and it looks like we're missing some refunds over here. That's very common. You may see a 0% accuracy for refunds if you don't track refunds in Google Analytics. Very typical to have refund discrepancies, but you really want to make sure that your orders and your revenue are plus or minus 10%, right? So Google Analytics is tracking Shopify plus or minus 10%. We can see down here, revenue and order discrepancies by day. See, orders are perfectly tracking. Revenue, we've got some slight discrepancies here. We might want to look into that, but it is below 10%, so that's pretty good. Our goal is always 10% here. And you can see here, we've got the green is Shopify, the orange is the Google Analytics reported revenue. We have the percentage difference is this bar, and the absolute difference is these little delta triangles down here with the amounts listed. Same for orders and revenue. Okay, good. And we can also see over here in the results, we can see the raw numbers if we're interested in that. Anything that's highlighted in green is within 10%. The numbers are within 10% over here. Anything highlighted in red, the numbers are not within 10%. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you.